Did you know you can make more than $1,000 a day through dropshipping? Hey guys, my name is Terrence and I want you to stick with me so I can tell you about the earning potential of dropshipping. All right, guys, why is dropshipping such a lucrative opportunity? Because people love shopping online. Why do people love shopping online? Because it's such a convenient thing to do. Being able to make a purchase from the comfort of your own home, from the comfort of your own couch, from the comfort of your own bed is very attractive. You know, Anything that requires as least effort as possible is always going to be, attractive to the average consumer. So all dropshipping is, accommodating that person's desire for, convenience, you know. Um, so that's why the dropshipping is such a lucrative opportunity. All right, guys, we're going to segue into a pretty basic tutorial on how to get started with dropshipping using Shopify. So first, you want to go ahead and click right here on this button, create another store. As you see here, it requires a store name. So this is the name, essentially, this is the name of your business. This is the name that will be attached to your domain name. This will be the name you use on social media. This will be the name of your entire brand, essentially. So go ahead and craft that. And when that's completed, come back here and type it in right here. And when you're done, you want to click Create Store. All right. After that, this page will appear. And this is just some introductory information. So just go ahead and fill this out. This first one says, are you already selling? Go ahead and click I'm not selling. Either I'm just playing around or I'm not selling products yet. It'll lead you to this option right here. Do you want to sell products through dropshipping? You want to click yes. And then it says right here, in addition to Shopify store, in addition to your Shopify store, where else would you like to sell online? So right here, I clicked Facebook, Instagram, Google, and other social media platforms that you would maybe want to list your products on as well and maybe run ads on as well. All right, what is your current revenue? Go ahead and click $0. I already have that clicked right here. Which industry will you be operating in? So go ahead and choose your industry. I'm just going to go ahead and click other and then click next. All right, so this is also some information that you're required to fill out. So go ahead and just fill this out. Let me just fill this out here. And there we go, guys. From this point on, you have the ability to personalize everything to your liking. You have the settings here. You configure some settings to tailor to your business's success. Obviously, you should do some research on certain apps that will help your business grow the most or the fastest, and you add those. Analytics, in my opinion, this would probably be your best friend, because obviously this is what you need to be really getting an understanding of, because this will help you kind of configure if you're running ads. This will kind of help you configure your ads based on certain metrics. You have marketing right here. This is very important. Allows you to create campaigns, email campaigns. Obviously, if you're in business, email campaigns are extremely important. Automations are,
even more important, let's say you enable a pop-up on your website that prompts the user to type in their email and their name and their number even. When they click subscribe, you can set up an automation to immediately send them an email, either thanking them for being a subscriber. You can offer them a discount code, or it's all up to you. This is just a neat feature that allows you to set parameters and set preconditions that kind of automate a lot of important processes that need to happen.
Alright guys, that's the end of the tutorial. I did mention before that it was going to be a pretty basic tutorial. I just wanted to review all the important things that you can do right now to get started with dropshipping. Alright, so I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And do me a favor, leave a comment and let me know if you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop those in the comment section as well, and I will respond to those ASAP. Peace.